Hey guys, I'm Deshawn Hollywood and I'm back with another dope video. So, you guys have already seen my wash and go process, but I also promised you guys that at some point I would show you exactly how I get my 2-strand twist hairstyle that I let sit for a couple of days to get the best twist out possible. My hair is already washed, conditioned, and hydrated, so now I'm just going to show you the very few products that I use and the method that I use to get those curls and twists out popping 10, honey. So, if you want to find out what happens at the end of this video, then you already know what I need you to do. Keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Deshawn Hollywood. If you didn't already know, your favorite bad bitch. And today, it's really lit. Alrighty, so the first thing what we want to do is we want to undo the original twist out that it's in. And basically, I like to just grab the first section of the hair, like so. So about this much of the hair, you are going to begin to get it nice and soaking wet. Because again, you know, you always want to work on very wet hair because it just honestly gives the best results that way. So after that, I am then going to go in with the Living Proof Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I use 1, 2, 3 pumps of that. I use 1 pump of this Alterna Caviar Oil. And I grab my piece, put it all the way through the hair, and then in 2 sections, grab the hair from the very beginning where it starts up in here, and that is when I start to twist my hair all the way around and pull. Twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. And I'm going to do that until it gets all the way down to the ends. And once it truly gets all the way down to the end, to where I feel like I either don't want to twist it anymore or I can't twist it anymore, I will then just begin to take the ends and wrap around my finger in that method. And then this is your first twist out. And you are then just going to finish continuing to do that throughout the entire head. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we are halfway through this one side, and we do have the last piece. You want to keep continuing with the same method all the way through, but keep in mind guys, this is kind of a lengthy process. It is something that you want to make sure you have the time to do, because you want to evenly section out the hair so that you can get the best twist out possible. And also, I mean, it is what it is, but it just takes a long time to, you know, put the product in your hair, make sure that your hair is actually hydrated enough to do the twist out method, and etc. So just make sure that you guys have the time and you want to completely have it looking exactly like this. Because as you can see, my twist outs are nice and plump, and even they're sectioned out exactly where they need to be, like just perfection. So this is how you want it to look. This is how hydrated you want it to be. Just like so. So now I'm gonna start on this side of the hair and do the exact same process. Already, and the last step is literally taking that last piece and doing the same twist out method all the way down to the end, just like you see here. Yes, honey. All the way down into the ends. And that is how you get my 2-strand twist out. And literally, I am gonna let this sit for 2 to 3 days and I will have poppin' beautiful curls. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. That's all I have for you. I need you to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share it, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, stay beat